From a simple green plant to one of the strongest natural fibers in the world. This is the story of Ramie.
Ramie fiber is a natural textile fiber known for its strength, durability, and silky shine.
Everything begins in the field. Ramie plants are harvested when their stalks are fully mature and rich in fiber.
Next comes decortication. Machines strip away the outer bark, separating the raw fibers from the woody core. Raw Ramie fibers are naturally stiff due to gum content. To soften them, the fibers undergo a treatment. After treatment, the fibers are thoroughly washed and dried, revealing a smooth, soft, and shiny texture.
The clean Ramie fibers are then spun into fine yarn using advanced spinning machines.
This yarn is woven into fabric used in clothing, upholstery, and high-quality textiles.
Strong, breathable, and eco-friendly. Ramie is truly a fiber of the future. Would you try it?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.